All right, big day in the shop today. We have Cole on top of a bus. He's working on some fabrication. We have Christian and Guy inside of the Beluga. And Rouge and I will be picking up a bus later on. That's gonna be our next build. We got way too much to do today. But before we get started, want some coffee? Okay, I'm inside the Beluga build with Cole. He is setting up and prepping all our roof pass-throughs and roof deck brackets. So these have to go in before spray foam. So he's down to the wire. So he builds his exterior legs, whatever height they need to be at, and then that bracket mounts to this backer plate that's gonna be adding a lot more rigidity, stability. You're never gonna lose that rack. Since the racks get painted at a separate stage, what Cole uses are riv nuts that accept a bolt. So once those are in place, that allows him to take the rack off the roof, bring it into the paint booth. You pouting? Yeah. I had to get out of there. It is way too stinky. So those guys just finished priming yesterday in Rio. They're now prepping for coat number 1. I think Darren with an Aero Pro is here today, spraying the Beluga. Oh, this clip?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you. Tell you what happened. It needs a little repair.
I haven't did my lunch kit for like 2 years. I give it to you for a fucking week and it just...
Let me explain this. So this is gonna be repaired fully, obviously. Really what he did was give me something that was gonna break the minute I used it. Okay, I ended up getting way too busy this afternoon. And now I'm scrambling for some footage, but we got Cole. He's putting a propane list together. Next on Rio is the propane stage. Right now, I'm gonna show off what the guys got up to today and how the spray foam turned out. All right, we are in the Beluga build. It looks crazy in here. So over the next probably 2 to 3 days, the boys will be in here getting all of this oversprayed spray foam off of the studs, out of the way, cleaning everything up. It's a disaster. Okay, let's take a closer look. Get this wire out of the way here. Let's take a closer look at spray foam and studs, kind of see our process for insulating. Right here, you guys are looking at a 2x2 stud, so a true 1.5 inches. And then the actual bust frame is 2 inches. So right in this area, all the way up and down, we've got probably about 3 inches of spray foam. We get it as full as we can. Obviously, it's a intricate dance between giving up too much space and making sure your bus is insulated. Okay, now that you guys saw everything that we did in Beluga today, Mitch and I have to get out of here. We're heading back to Saskatoon and we're picking up our next build. All right, we are off to Saskatoon. Time to go pick up a massive 40-foot pusher. That's Frank's little van hibernating. All right, since we got, is the sound on? Yeah, we're good. Since we have a lot of time on these Saskatchewan highways, we're hosting a Q&A. So we asked on Instagram for a couple questions. We've got one so far. It came in hot. It is from Angelica Forrester. How much does a partial van conversion cost approximately? No bathroom, no kitchen. First of all, we don't do partial conversions. We just focus on full custom rigs. So we can't really comment. Again, that's a tough question, you guys. It all depends on what you're putting in there for systems.
We do consulting though.
We do consulting. If you are looking to tackle a DIY, then you can give us a shout and we can definitely help size up some systems for you. Another question here. We're running out of time. I started this too late. What's your favorite part of the process? Go.
Which process?
He's panicking. My favorite is honestly meeting the clients at the end. It's wild.
Stole it right out of my hand.
What's your response?
I had the same answer, but probably just different layouts and doing the custom work and seeing what all the creative ideas people bring.
All right, we made it into Saskatoon late last night. 8:30, it's pretty late. And now we're heading over to Q-Line to pick up that 40-foot pusher. We just pulled up to the new bus. Let's check it out. Can't get out. Look at that thing. How do I get in here? I don't know how to get in. Oh, that's loud. I found an access, the emergency door. This thing is massive. I can't figure out how to turn that alarm off though. Really hope that isn't on for the whole drive back. But look at the size of this thing. So this unit is a 45 foot pusher with a, I believe, 5.9 Cummins in it, and it's a Thomas built bus. Update. We did not get this freaking alarm turned off. Do you guys hear that? We fixed the buzzer problem. Pesky little window buzzer. We have silence for the whole ride home. Just got back in the shop and the boys are going hard. I'm gonna play catch up, showing up 6 hours late to work today. Time to edit this video.
Oh, this you crazy mother.